In this video, I will explain how to find a quadratic function given the intercepts of a graph. So we have this graph right here, and we're given that the x-intercepts are -2, 0, and 3, 0, and then the y-intercept is 0, 3. So knowing these points, how can we write a quadratic function? Well, it turns out that we can write a function in the form of f of x equals a times x minus r sub 1 times x minus r sub 2. So r1 and r2 are just going to be the locations on the x-intercept where the parabola crosses the x-intercept. So we can see that x is -2 and x is 3. So what we can do is we can just plug these numbers in for r1 and r2 in this function over here. So let's write f of x is equal to a times x minus a -2. So minus -2, so that's plus 2. And then we'll write x minus, our second x is just a 3. So x minus 3. And now what we can do is we can solve for a. And the way that we do this is we use the location of our y-intercept. So 0, 3. So we'll plug in a 3 on this left-hand side of the equation, and we'll plug in a 0 for each of the x's over here. So we'll write 3 is equal to a 0 plus 2, 0 minus 3, and then we can solve for a. So we get 3 is equal to a, 0 plus 2, that's 2, 0 minus 3 is -3, so 2 times -3 is -6. And to solve for a, we can just divide both sides by -6. So 3 divided by -6, that can be simplified to -1/2 is equal to a. So the last step is we just need to plug in this value of a -1/2 into a up here. So we'll get f of x is equal to -1/2 x plus 2 times x minus 3. And this is the quadratic function that describes this graph over here. Now, if you wanted to multiply it out to display it in standard form, you could do that, but I'll leave that as an exercise up to the viewer. Thanks for watching.